All right, guys, welcome back. We are finished with this one. Rolling through the kitchen, we got the tile done. We did all the baseboard, new blinds. Now this is a tile. This is the vinyl tile, so it's not real, but it looks real. We already had all the paint done when I did the before. Here's the living room. Got all the hardwood done, baseboard, got the blinds installed, all the vents are in. This is the second living room or dining room, whatever. Hardwood. Got a free flow going, no transitions. We did all the baseboard. We had to actually cut the baseboard to put around the light sockets, the electrical outlets. Go hardwood. Free flow into this bedroom, no transition. Baseboard's done in here. We got all the blinds. Came out pretty nice. Actually love this hardwood. In every single room we had to cut the baseboard so we can fit it around the outlets. That sucked, but we're done now, so that's how this is looking. Go down to the hall. We continued the tile. The place hasn't been cleaned yet. The tile going down the hallway into the laundry and right up to the bedrooms. But let's go back here. We got the bathroom. We did a brand new linoleum for this floor. I didn't really like the way it looked at first, but kind of getting used to it. Okay, back this way. We'll turn this corner and go to this first bedroom. Hardwood. Baseboard, we got baseboard done. Got new blinds. Turn around. Go to the third bedroom. Hardwood. Got all the baseboard done. All the blinds are installed. Like I said, every single room we had to cut the baseboard to fit around those light sockets. I actually know a trick to have the baseboard free flowing instead of cutting through. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. It's actually really nice, but there's like 30 outlets in this home, so I didn't want to do it. This house was pressed for time. Back in the hall. And the fourth bedroom. Did hardwood in here. Baseboard, blinds, came out really nice. And then this bathroom did the same type of linoleum as the other bathroom. I actually like it. It looks pretty nice. We did the baseboard in here. Had to remove the toilet to install the flooring, but yeah. And that's it. This house is done. Brand new hardwood, brand new baseboard, all full paint, walls, ceilings, full blinds, and I think it came out really nice. So if you guys seen the before video, let me know what you think, please, because I'm pretty happy with it. And that's it, guys. I should be starting another house in a few days, and I'll shoot up the before video of that one. But yeah, otherwise, that's about it.